Did you know that right now? As you're watching this, your body is glowing. No, I'm not talking about some spiritual aura or a metaphorical shine. I mean, you are literally, physically emitting light. It's a real biological phenomenon, but there's a catch. Your eyes just can't see it. This isn't a sci-fi concept. It's a proven scientific fact! Stick with me, and we'll dive into the incredible, invisible world of human bioluminescence. So, what's going on here? All living things, including us, are constantly buzzing with chemical reactions. Think about everything your body does without you even noticing. Digesting food, repairing cells, even just thinking. All these processes produce energy. Most of that energy is released as heat, which is why you have a body temperature. But a tiny, tiny fraction of it is released as visible light. This faint glow is called ultra-weak photon emission, or more simply, the term bio means life, and photon is a particle of light. So, life light. It's the signature glow of life itself. This is UN to be confused with the kind of bright bioluminescence you see in fireflies or deep-sea creatures. They have a special chemical called luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase that work together to create a very efficient and bright light show. It's like they have a built-in, highly effective glow stick. Our glow is about 1,000 times weaker. In fact, it is so faint that you would need a camera sensitive enough to detect a single candle from about 20 miles away just to be able to see it. Our eyes are amazing, but they're just not built for that level of sensitivity. So how do we even know this happens? Scientists in Japan made a groundbreaking discovery back in 2009. They used supercooled, highly sensitive cameras, the kind that can detect individual photons, and pointed them at volunteers in a pitch-black room. What they found was astonishing. Over several days, they captured images of the human body glowing, and the glow wasn't static. It changed throughout the day. It was dimmest in the morning, around 10 a.m., and peaked in the late afternoon, around 4 p.m. This discovery blew everyone's minds. Why does the glow change? Well, the researchers linked it to our body's internal clock, our circadian rhythm. The glow seems to ebb and flow with our metabolic rate. When our metabolism is highest in the afternoon, we glow the brightest. This suggests that the light is a direct byproduct of our cellular energy processes. The more active our cells are, the more they leak these tiny particles of light. It's like a faint exhaust from the engines of our cells. What's even more fascinating is where the light comes from. The study found that the face glowed more brightly than the rest of the body. This might be because the face has more exposure to sunlight, which can increase the concentration of certain molecules called fluorophores in the skin. These molecules can absorb light and re-emit it, potentially boosting the natural glow. The mouth area, in particular, was a hotspot of this faint light. You might be thinking, okay, that's a cool party trick of biology, but does it actually mean anything? Scientists believe it could be a game changer for medicine. Since this glow is tied to our metabolic activity, observing it could give us a non-invasive window into what's happening inside our bodies. Imagine a future where a doctor could use a highly sensitive camera to scan your body for changes in your biophaton emissions. An unusual pattern or an abnormally bright or dim spot could be an early warning sign of disease, inflammation, or oxidative stress long before other symptoms appear. This isn't just theory. Research has already shown that the biophaton emissions from cancer cells are different from those of healthy cells. The idea is that the chaotic, rapid metabolism of tumors might produce a different light signature. If we can learn to read this language of light, we could develop entirely new ways to diagnose and monitor illnesses. It's like our bodies are constantly broadcasting a status report, and we're just now learning how to tune in. Let's think about the sources of this light. It's mainly generated by something called free radicals, which are produced during normal cellular respiration, the process of converting food into energy. These free radicals are highly reactive molecules. When they interact with fats and proteins in our cells, they can excite electrons. And when those electrons fall back to their normal state, they release a photon of light. This process is called So, in a way, the glow is a visible sign of the constant oxidative processes happening in our body. It's also interesting to think about what this means for other aspects of health. Could our diet, our stress levels, or even our thoughts affect this glow? Some researchers are exploring this very question. For example, people who practice meditation have been anecdotally reported to have different biophoton patterns. While this is still a very new field of study, it opens up a fascinating connection between our mind, our body, and the very light we produce. It suggests a level of interconnectedness we're only beginning to understand. Think about it. Every living thing on this planet, from the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, and even the plants in your garden, is emitting this ultra-weak light. It's a universal signature of life. We are all, quite literally, beings of light, constantly communicating with the universe in a language of photons that we're only just starting to decipher. This isn't just a scientific curiosity. It's a profound reminder of the intricate and beautiful complexity of life. So, the next time you look in the mirror, remember that what you're seeing is just the reflected light from the real you. The living, breathing, metabolic you is also producing its own light. It's a faint, invisible glow that tells the story of your body's every moment. You are a walking, talking, faintly glowing marvel of biology. And while you can't see it with your own eyes, it's there, a constant, silent testament to the energy that powers you. Science is continuing to explore this amazing phenomenon. And who knows what other secrets our own light will reveal about us in the future. This field of biophotonics is still in its infancy, but the potential is enormous. From real-time health monitoring to a deeper understanding of consciousness, this faint glow could illuminate some of the biggest mysteries of biology. It truly makes you wonder what other incredible secrets our bodies are holding. Just waiting for us to build the right tools to discover them. What do you think about this? Does it change the way you think about your own body? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and for exploring this incredible, glowing world with me! If you enjoyed this and want to learn more amazing facts about science and the human body, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss our next video. Until next time, stay curious.